Hi all, today I am discussing about input and output commands in Linux operating system. Normally, to provide the input to the any variable, we will use read command. If we need to we need to give the output to the terminal, we will use echo command. Echo command just echoing the output. Whatever we give the text to this command, it just echo to the output. So I will also discuss this in terminal. Increase them. So now echo command, it has some options, but just to print the output to the terminal, we will use uh, double quotes. It just providing the output to the terminal. It is just whatever the text we are giving to this output, this echo command, it is just echoing the output. So we can also use different ways. We can use -e option. -e command will edit the black space. Now we can use different options here. Suppose I want to type it next line, we can use new line. I want to remove the space, blank space, I can use B. I need to give the vertical tab, then I can use -v. So if I use vertical tab, it will give the tab here and next text by using V. -b means it combines the text, the sample. See, there is no space between the sample. This is new line. So after is, it will go to new line. So likewise, we can use the echo command. Now, if you see, this is there is no space. So there is no space between now the sample. So this is one thing. Now next one is the read command. Read is a input command. It will take the input from the user. So read name. So I will give name. Now I want to print the uh, variable, name variable. I can use dollar to call the variable. See, to print the variable, it is taking the input. It is taking the read command is taking the input, and we can also use that input in somewhere. So it's while using shell scripting, the read command will be useful. We can use different areas, the dollar name, and we can use that. And also, suppose I am giving just for verifying the where echo command, we can use like this. After ending the uh, this command here, by using semicolon, we can use read name. Next, I am giving the name here. So what is your name is, it asks the name. Next, hello dollar name. Why? Because the variable name here is name. So I am calling that name. Now what it will ask is first statement. After that, it will read statement will ask. Once I enter, it compares hello. Okay. Next we need to use echo command. Why? Because we are echoing the value. So if you see hello Anil, so it will like that we can use this echo and read commands. Echo will print the output to the terminal and read will take the input from the user. It will wait for the user input and it will also utilize in the somewhere in the terminal. So different ways we can use this input and output options. So this is the echo and read commands. These are the